Hey y'all, welcome back to the homestead. This morning, me and my brothers are just working on our chores, and today we're gonna be working on a bed. Kind of like a bunk bed with no bottom bunk though, it's just gonna be for storage.
Alright, so if any of you are wondering why when I'm feeding the ducks I'm putting them in the water, it's because the ducks we found actually don't eat it off the land very well, or when it's dry, because it's quite dry and the ducks don't do very well with it. And so it just helps the ducks be able to eat the food, and we have some chickens out here. So it's to also help keep the chickens from eating the food, and then we also will separate a calf in here, and we don't really want him eating the food either. So it helps keep the food away from the other animals, and the ducks like it that way better.
Alright y'all, so we finished up chores and breakfast. Now we're starting to work on the bed. Nathan has already sanded the boards a little bit and cut them to the right width. Now we're going to be working on cutting them to the right length. Okay, so we got all the boards cut, now we're bringing them upstairs. So he's getting everything all lined up.
And this will be right there.
Alright, we got this board on, and we brought in the cavalry. Esther and Jay, you want to say hi?
Hi. Hi.
Right now we're building a little ladder right here. How's it going, Nathan?
Pretty good.
So we went down for a quick lunch break. I'm going to show y'all what we've done so far and then we'll get back on it. So we got the whole bed frame kind of thing on here. Also, we started on the ladder here. This is how the steps are going to work. Right here. From the side we did 2 screws. So one on the top piece, one on the bottom piece. Same on the other side. And then one on top just to hold them together really sturdily. Okay, the ladder's done. Last things we gotta do is put the little support between these two and put the plywood on top, and then we'll be all done. Okay, we got it all marked out. Now Nathan's gonna cut it. It fits very nicely, so now we're gonna start screwing it in.
Yep.
Nate's just gonna sand these down real quickly so they're a little more comfortable. Alright, so we got it all done. Obviously we didn't put the mattresses on and stuff, but all the woodwork type stuff we got all done and it's looking really nice. It's popcorn night, so me and J-Bud are gonna go get some firewood for Mama. You ready, J-Bud?
Yep.
Well, I realized over there picking up firewood and videoing wasn't really working, but I got my load now. Thank you, Josh. You're welcome. Well, thanks for watching. That's about all we got for you today. We pray blessings over you and yours, and whatever you do, do it with your whole heart. Abby, can you say whole heart? Whole heart?